Kun dangin emosyonal ang Duterte supporters sa among closing statement ni Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, baliskad naman ang ginhimo sang prosekusyon. Antes nagtakop ang confirmation hearing, nagtindog si senior trial lawyer Julian Nicholls kag nag-apelar sa judges nga indi na pag-ilakip sa records ang closing statement nga gindeliver ni Kaufman. Ang ginpakakasini sa record among parte sang statement ni Kaufman nga ginpahayag sini nga ginhambal ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Suno kay Nicholls, wala man ini sang labot sa ilang mga argumento. Pahayag pa ni Nicholls, hindi dapat mag-testify si Kaufman para kay Duterte bangod nagpamalibad na gani ini nga magkadto sa korte agud magtambong sang proceedings.
I would request and ask that you strike and not take any account of any word that my friend said came from his client. None of that was responsive to arguments, which is what these last 30 minutes were about. You made that clear on pages 24 and 25 of the transcript today, and it's in paragraph 9 of your order on the conduct of the hearings. Second of all, my friend can't testify for his client or make a speech for his client. That's governed by Article 67H. If he wanted to come here, he didn't want to come here, he could have come here and talked about whatever he wanted to, but he chose not to. Mr. Kaufman's conveying this. He's been complaining about hearsay all day. It's not reliable, but beyond that, if Mr. Duterte wants to speak to the court and speak to the gallery, he should come here, request to make an unsworn statement. He shouldn't do that through his counsel. So I ask that all of that be given zero weight whatsoever in your determinations. Thank you.